Jonathan and to say a few words as listening to her is always very inspiring.
Children, so I would just like to extend my heartiest congratulations on what Republic Day are we going to celebrate? The 76th. So that means how many years of independence? How many years of independence? Because we got our independence on the 15th of August. So we've already been independent for 76 years. And we look forward to an India because the Republic is about our constitution, the book that you saw in the video, which defines actually what is that book? That book defines, it tells how we are supposed to stay, how we are supposed to work, and it says that all of us are one, irrespective of whether we are girls or boys or men or women, whether we are of dark color or fair color, whether we are staying in whichever state. So we say democratic because we are having the right to speak our mind. So we are a democratic republic country. Alright? A democratic republic constitution is when the people of the country have the right to speak their mind. And that is why you must have seen in the Parliament House, you have one opposition and one ruling party. So the ruling party, it does the work of the country, and the opposition party sees that the ruling party conducts all those work properly. If they are not going right, then what happens? The opposition raises a question. No, whatever you are doing is not going the right way. It's not for the interest or the benefit of the people of the country. So you need to make good policies, and that's how our government works. Now, as students, what is the importance of Republic Day for all of us? That the only one rule is we need to respect everyone. We need to respect everyone's opinion. We have the right to speak, but we can sit and say whoever is going to be right or wrong. We cannot use power to say what I say is right. Do you understand? So no one person can rule and define that you will go like this. But when the Britishers were ruling us, that was the rule. Whatever the Britishers said we had to do. There were hotels where it was written, Indians and dogs not allowed. Is it insulting or is it respectful? Insulting, because we were being ruled by those people. And that's how lots of people from the country, they actually brought good policies, good thoughts, and good, I would say, got together to tell the British one message: leave our country, go out of our country, we will not tolerate your rules now. They used to hit, beat, kill people for not listening to their rules. But people said no. And then Gandhiji was there. He said non-violence. We will object to all your rules, but we will not raise our hand. We will not hit back, but we will not even listen to whatever you are saying. So that is how the British people, they left the country on 15th of August. So that's the Independence Day. We got our independence. But after that, it took, so we got independence in which year? 1947. And our constitution came into act in which year? 50. So how many years? 3 So 3 years. The drafting of the constitution was being done. What is drafting? The making of the constitution. All people with good minds, intelligent minds from different walks of life, they actually gave their ideas, and the major person who was doing it was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Bhimrao Ambedkar. he actually made the whole constitution book to tell that how our country will be working, where every person has their own rights and they have their own duties also. So with every right, there is one duty. That's very important. For example, you are coming to the school. You say that I should have a seat in my class to sit, isn't it? You all should get a seat in the class. But can you break that seat? That's your duty, to see that whatever has been given to you is kept neat, is kept in proper condition. So in India, the constitution defines you have lots of rights, privileges, but with every right there is one duty. The government is giving you transport, buses, trains, aeroplanes. Can you just go and burn them? Can you destroy them? Can you just keep scribbling everywhere? That's your duty. So that is the beautiful part of our constitution, that it gives us privileges, it gives us rights, but it also tells us what are our duties. So as a citizen, as a proud citizen of a country which is now very progressive, and I think by say 2030, India is going to become a superpower country. Alright? We have very many good things. So as children, you should start feeling pride in whatever we have in our country. Alright? Start learning more about the good things. What is the latest good thing going on in our country? Any one person? Any one child? Yes. One major event that is going on in our country. Yes. Mahakumbh. Mahakumbh Mela, and it is actually very amazing because more than I think 3 crore people are going to be visiting that Mahakumbh, and the organizations have ensured that everything is going on very smoothly. People are very happy going there with the arrangements. They bathe in the holy Ganga, the Triveni, and that is how. So the people of other countries, Europeans, Americans and all other Western countries, they are surprised, they are shocked to see how such good arrangements can be done with so many people at one place. We should start, seeing and feeling pride in whatever is happening in our country. Only then you will feel a little bit more patriotic and you will get that thing that I want to do something for my country. You just raised your hand, Pallavi. She wants to say something. Wonderful. You know who's Steve Jobs? Yes. They are like surprised. They have also come because they know what is the significance. Now, any one person can tell me what is the significance of Mahakumbh? Yes? Yes. So, yes.
Because in Samudra Manthan there is Amrit, and 4 drops of Amrit were dropped in Nasik, Ujjain, Haridwar and Prayagraj, and because in these states there are celebrated Mahakumbh.
Wonderful. Let's clap for it.
Is burnt, ma'am, because ma'am 4 cylinders, ma'am, yes.
That is just one small, yes, I got that news also. It's a very small part.
There were only 10.
So such things keep happening, but we have to look at the positive side of what is the good part. So Mahakumbh actually Kumbh happens every 12 years. After every 12 Kumbh there is one Mahakumbh. And I think by the calculation that I go, most of us would not be alive when the next Mahakumbh will happen, because that's, I think, 143 years, 144 years. So I think we all will not be there to see. So if any one of you can make it, very good. Otherwise, just keep seeing the news, read about it, absorb the good things, make it a part of your life. It will be as good as going there only. Yes, wonderful. So quickly, I think then we'll wind up.
More than 300 people come.
Exactly. So it's really amazing. So why I discuss this is because we need to feel proud of our country. Only then we'll become true citizens of our country. So wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. So that's going to be on Sunday. All of you can watch it on television. Now children, just one more thing before I just... Class 3, please. We have a retest immediately after we reach our classes. All children who are having their Hindi retest, they will all make a line and go to the library. And alright, Hindi and French. Prabjot ma'am will be there in the library. So wishing you all the best. And children, I am so happy that you all have started actually listening and gathering information. Maybe you can discuss this in your classes also with your teachers. Thank you so much.